Hello, what's up? It's your boy Sarah, not sorry, HYTH, and today we're gonna tell you how to fix your dead computer. So first of all, you're gonna want to click on Google Chrome, and you're gonna want to pull up your tab, and what you're gonna want to do. So you're gonna look up how fix dead computer, and you're gonna watch this 37-minute comprehensive video. Mainly the advertisement. Then you're gonna wanna search computer. Okay, no, actually, my computer's not okay. What you're gonna want to do is watch this video. First, let me plug in my headphones. That's right. So yeah, that's the problem with your computer is gay. So what you're gonna want to do is do about the computer. You click on this, and so you're gonna have to have. This is telling you that you're gonna have to do a Windows Defender scan. So what you're gonna want to do is pull up Windows Defender, because you have a gay virus. So what you're going to do is pull it up. You can open the Windows Defender security system, the virus scan, do an advanced scan, and a full scan. And then when that's done, actually you don't need to even do it. You're going to want to reset your PC. So you're going to want to click on this, and you're going to click on get started. You're gonna wipe your computer, and that'll make it not gay anymore. Or you could just send it to a gay camp, and it'll fix it. And that's how you fix your dead, batteryless, or whatever. If your computer PC's not turned on, that's how you fix it. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the game.